and the wealthy, successful, money-making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. And I'm making this video because a dear friend on YouTube said something to the effect that is every trader's dream, to end every day in profit. Guys, I don't end every day in profit. And I have my account to show you every single trade that I've taken this month. And you will note that there is lots and lots and lots of red in my account. And the market just killed me yesterday. And you'll see up until we get to the point that's highlighted in blue, I had a little bit over 40% gain this month on my account. But after yesterday, it's just a little bit over 30% because the market killed me yesterday. But guys, the most important thing to being a successful trader is how well you manage your risk. There's nothing to manage when the trade is going your way. All you have to have is courage to stay in that trade and ride it out. So good trading is about how well you manage your risk. I also want to say this. On my account, my balance is on my left, and the trade that's either going for me or against me is on my right. If that trade is going against me, I know that that number on my left is much more important to me and much more valuable to my lifestyle than that tiny little number going against me on my right. That's a rattlesnake. It's a rattlesnake I need to kill. So got to cut it quickly. And you'll see I've cut lots of times this month. Actually, you'll probably be surprised at the number of hits that I've taken. Now, everything in red is not a hit, but I say 90% of everything you see in red is going to be a hit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. And you can see I have lots of hits. But I am vicious about protecting my wealth. And you need to be vicious about protecting your wealth too. And don't be afraid of corrections and pullbacks, retracements in the market, simply because your market's never going to go straight up or straight down. Keep that in mind. But if you know for a fact your trade is going against you, you must protect that balance. You cannot build on wealth that you don't have. And the more you preserve, the more you can build on it. Now, where I have highlighted in blue, these are all of the trades that I took yesterday from this point on down. And up until this point, I had a little over 40% in my account. And look at this. Look at those hits yesterday. And guys, it took me this many times before I said, okay, I give up. You guys win. Because yesterday was just choppy and it just kicked my butt. You can see I got killed yesterday. But guys, even with all of the hits that you've seen in my account, I'm still up for the month over 30%. Am I worried about those hits? Absolutely not. Because next week I'm going to have all of that money back and then some. Because this is the thing, guys. The market will reward your discipline. And I know that the market is eventually going to go somewhere. And when the market goes somewhere, I want to have the power and the wealth to follow it. I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific, wonderful weekend.